Essentials, a deep dive into meshes, models, materials, and shading. In this presentation, we will explore the essentials of meshes, models, materials, and shading. Understanding these core concepts is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their skill in 3D design and rendering. Let's embark on this journey to master these fundamental elements. Understanding meshes. A mesh is a collection of vertices, edges, and faces that defines the shape of a 3D object in space. They are building blocks of 3D models. Mastering meshes is essential for creating complex structures and ensuring smooth rendering in various applications. 3D models can be categorized into polygonal, NURBS, and subdivision surface models. Each type has its unique characteristics and applications. Understanding these types will help you choose the right model for your projects and improve your design workflow. Materials in 3D design. Materials define the appearance of a 3D model, influencing how it interacts with light. Key properties include color, texture, and reflectivity. Learning how to apply materials effectively will enhance the realism of your models and improve visual storytelling. Shading techniques overview. Shading is the process of calculating how light interacts with surfaces. Common techniques include flat shading, Gouraud shading, and Pong shading. Each technique produces different visual effects, and understanding them will help you achieve the desired look in your renders. UV mapping. In this process of projecting a 2D image into a 3D model surface, proper UV mapping ensures that textures are applied correctly and look realistic. Mastering UV mapping techniques is essential for creating high quality textures and materials. Lighting in 3D environments. Lighting plays a crucial role in 3D rendering. Understanding light types, ambient, directional, point, and spot, and their properties can dramatically affect the mood and realism of your scene. Experimenting with different lighting setups is key to mastering 3D visualization. Rendering techniques explained. Rendering is the process of generating an image from a 3D model. Techniques like ray tracing and rasterization are commonly used. Each method has its advantage and trade-offs, and knowing when to use them is vital for achieving the best results in your projects. 3D designs can present challenges such as texture, stretching, light leaks, and mesh errors. Identifying and resolving these issues is crucial for producing high-quality models. Developing a systematic approach to troubleshooting will enhance your efficiency and skill as a designer. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, mastering the essentials of meshes, models, materials, and shadings is fundamental to success in 3D design. By understanding this concept and applying them effectively, you can significantly improve the quality of your work and bring your visions to life.